Hello students, I'm back again to show you another step in this process of tweaking the Academy groups. Now we're going to change some of these colors to green. Just in case you wanted to change colors in a photograph, this is how you would do it. Again, there's many different ways to do something. This is just one technique I'm going to show you. So I'm going to zoom in here to Mr. Robert Bachet, Chaz Bachet right here. He's wearing red. He should have been wearing green, but that's okay. We're going to make him wear green. The easiest way to do this, the easiest way for me to teach you this is to, everyone, right now I want you to zoom into this spot on the ADC Academy group. You should have already merged this together and JPEG'd it. Open up the JPEG and zoom into Robert Bachet right here. And then I want you to go down here on the layers panel. There is an icon that is set for create a new fill or adjustment layer. It's a circle that's half black, half white. Choose it and then choose hue and saturation. Hue and saturation. Now, he is wearing red here. When the hue and saturation adjustment layer is selected, this properties window will appear. And notice there is now a blank mask sitting just above the original JPEG here. A hue and adjustment, a fill or adjustment layer is important to know that you're not destroying the layer. You never want to destroy the original. So it really just sits above the original and acts as sort of a filter. So that's kind of the idea. You're not destroying this. You're just going to adjust it by filtering the colors that go through above it. So you have selected that and you have the properties panel open. You should. It might be sitting over here. It says properties. If not, double click this icon right here and it will appear. And when it does, we're going to go ahead and select his red. I want you to click this little finger right here and move your mouse over the image, and notice it turns into the eyedropper tool. And I want you to click right there on the red. And notice reds appear now under the color drop down window. See how it's red now? A minute ago it was master. And then I want you to move the hue slider to the left or to the right until you get that color green that you want. Now notice you can either go all the way left or all the way right. I'm gonna go right. And I'm also going to give it a little more saturation, and I'm going to make it a little bit darker. There we go. Now notice everything changes. I'm changing the entire image right now. Don't worry about turning them into Smurfs or Shreks or whatever. All you're looking at is this red turning to green. That's all you want to look at, is what you want to change. Because what we're going to do is we're going to select this mask by clicking it, the mask next to the adjustment layer, which is right here. This entire layer, the mask, and then we're going to hit Command I to invert that mask and turn from black to white. Now the mask is black, meaning it's hiding everything the adjustment layer is doing. A minute ago it was revealing, but now it's hiding. So now with that hiding, we can hit B for our brush, and we can adjust our brush to a certain size. Maybe lower the opacity a little bit here and soften it just a wee bit, maybe in the 80 percentile, somewhere around there. And I'm going to zoom in tighter because I don't like working back like this. And then I want you to paint away the red to green. Now, notice you're basically painting. I'm going to put this at 100% so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to paint like this. Now I'm going to hold down Alt and click, and you can see what I've been painting. I am revealing this white area. I'm going to hold down Alt and click my mask again, and I'm revealing the area that I want to be green. Does that make sense? I'm going to go with a smaller brush. I'm going to paint all this right here. Please don't paint their faces, guys. If you do, press X and hide it by painting with black. So go through and find all your reds, and this is going to work with all your reds, guys. Watch this. This is a shade of red, this burgundy here, and maybe this guy's sleeve. See how they're all red now? See that right there? So go through and change all your reds to green, and then let's work on another color by using another hue and saturation layer. And the second hue and saturation layer, you might want to go over and say, how about blue? How about this blue right here? I'm going to click the finger, click the blue. Notice it selects blue. Move the slider till it turns green, maybe a little bit darker. There we go. Now I'm going to invert the mask, And then I'm going to use my brush to brush her jacket in as green, just like this. Okay? Use a hard enough brush where it doesn't spill over into other parts of the image. Now notice, right here it's green, but see how she got a pink shirt? Well, pink is a shade of red. So I'm going to go back to this one, which is reds, and I'm going to paint right in here and try to get that a little bit greener looking. Oh, that looks so much better. It looks so much better. And here's a blue right here. I'm going to go back to the blue and paint her blue green, because remember, and if you open this up, I do believe it tells you. No, well, you can go ahead and name it. Let's see. Yeah, you can go ahead and name it. This would be blue, and this was red. So you know which one you're clicking and painting on. So go around and paint everything green that you can. So this is red, so I'm going to go on the red and reveal in the red. Okay, and when you're done, go image, flatten, or I'm sorry, layer, flatten image, bam. It's going to flatten all these together. And then do a save as, not a save, because we want a different version. We don't want to ruin our original. I'm going to put ADC finished. There we go. Now we've already saved once at 3 quality, remember? When you originally made that merged image, pretending like this is done. And we're going to look at the file size here when it finally pops up. Still 24 megs. So I'm going to bring that sucker down probably to about 4. So it's a quicker upload. Normally you wouldn't do that if you were printing it. 2.8 megs, that's pretty good. I'm going to click OK, and that's the one you're going to upload today. Got it? All right. Good luck, folks. See ya.